Hi everyone, welcome to Terrific Astro. This is me, Pooja Lekha. So, today's career read for Librans, for Scorpios, and for Sagittarius. So, let's start. Okay, Libran, Five of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, and Hunter. Okay, you have spent some very unfortunate time, maybe some illness, maybe money losses, financial losses, loss of job, but coming time will bring you lot of opportunity, or maybe you are ready to invest in some new business. This time you felt lot of discomfort, lot of depression, anxiety, obviously financial losses, health loss is there, but though you felt all these things, there was some help around you, which might be you have seen or not, you missed it, but definitely help was there. And now you are ready to start with something new, either some new job opportunities coming on your way, or maybe if you are into some business and you are planning to start with some business, definitely you are now ready to start in some business opportunity. That this card is brings some good news, some new openings for related to your career. That this card is the Earth card, uh, financial card, uh, good, very good, very positive, very good omen card for your career growth. And your guidance card says Hunter, track down your fears and desire. Definitely beautiful. This guidance card is saying to you, it is saying to track down your fears, whatever the fears you have carried from this situation. Definitely this situation bring lot of anxiety, depression, fear for future, because ki once we are in this situation, we are in the thought process, maybe what will happen to my future, maybe nothing will happen, but this is the time to track down, just drop your fears. Now the new opportunities are knocking at your door, grab it. That will definitely bring lot of abundance, happiness, positivity, and stability in your life. Okay, this is for Librans. Now let's see Scorpions. Two of Wands, nice. Chariot, and says be devoted and committed. Okay, this is the time to take the decision. Obviously you have some plan, you have decided to spread your career maybe out of your country. And definitely this card will says come out of your comfort zone, decide for your future, decide for your passion, whatever you are asking for, whatever you are desire for so much time, and already you have chosen the things. Means I mean ki you are ready with your plans, and now this is the time to implement it. And it will bring you lot of success, victory, definitely. But you have to make a balance between the two opposite forces, like maintain the balance at your workplace or at your home place. But you know how to do it, you are very focused, very determined right now. And this card definitely says that it will bring you lot of victory. This card also required to be maintain the balance at your workplace or at your home place. But you know how to do it, you are very focused, very determined right now. And this card definitely says that it will bring you lot of victory. This card also required to be you have to be dedicated for your work. And these black and white horses, which you can see on the card, it's a balancing of the two opposite forces, right? Whenever we are at some task or some new things we are going to start, we have to balance the two things in our life. sometimes it is work and home task, and is everything has pros and cons, right? So we need to balance those energies, and your guidance card says beautiful. Sage says ki be devoted and committed, and this card is also is this: be committed, be devoted to your work, and definitely success is there in your cards. So decide the things, what is it, what is going on in your mind. This must be ki you want to expand something around the world, out of your country, but you have to come out of your comfort zone. Success and victory is there for you. Now this is for Sagittarius people. Moon, Knight of Cups, and your guidance is animal guardian, and trust your instinct. Okay. Moon and Knight of Cups. Moon says ki again lot of illusions. Maybe you have spent some time where you are very anxious. Maybe someone cheated on you. So much illusion in your mind, nothing is clear, you cannot see the truth, you cannot see the things beyond a certain level. Your mind, you felt your mind is so cloudy. You are not getting the exact or the clarity of the situation, right? Time was like this, absolutely. It was like when you in this situation, you cannot see, you felt someone is cheating on you, and you cannot trust. Maybe some fears haunt you, and very fearful situation. But Knight of Cups says something good is coming on your way. Emotionally connected. Maybe the offer coming in your way is really very creative, and you are into it. As or maybe sometimes you get the answers in your dreams, or maybe you are very intuitive, you can sense the thing, you are very emotional person, and you are very creative inside the offer you are getting. Or maybe this could be this could be this could be very, this is very creative offer. If I can see it on the workplace, then this will enhance your creativity. Or if I this card also says some emotional connect with some person, and the person is coming back to your life. Or maybe some new person who is giving you very beautiful offer to you, and your animal guardian says trust your instinct. Maybe you are getting some intuition through your dreams, trust on them. You are getting some deep hidden messages through your dreams. Anyhow, this time will pass, and you will get some definitely beautiful offer where you feel so much connected at your heart level. Okay, so this is for Sagittarius. If you get the messages, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. This card